Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and fry my chicken up. And I have two sets. I got the egg and everything in it. And I had this pretty much marinated. Okay, this been like a minute and a half or two. I like moved to make sure it wasn't like stuck in the bottom. You don't want to get stuck aside, get burnt. There for like another minute, and then I'll let you see the next one. More swirl. Should be about time. Okay, I already see it. Y'all see it? Okay, now this is the one. It got everything on it that I put for the first one, except for it got addition of Pepsi, and I just put a little bit in there. Okay, these already looking different already. Maybe because it's like coated like the other ones. Did you see it real good? But at least I know the difference though. This looking more like it was fried without, and it had no rub or nothing on it, like no flour or nothing on it. I just fried it like that. That's what it's giving. Alright, this is the last one, y'all. I'm about to get into it. Get in my belly. Try each of the chicken first by itself, and then I'm gonna try with that sauce. First, I'm gonna get it to the right way, how it's supposed to look, coated and everything. Ming Lee, Jackie Chan, some Chinese person. You about to get a run for your money. And I ain't even have to make any honey garlic chicken. It's good. Now it could be fried harder if I would have double fried it, but it's still good enough. But if you like yours real hard, go ahead and do that. Okay, I'm gonna try this sauce now. There's more soy sauce than I would like. I went Taekwondo. Cause why you kicking? You're kicking me. Now if I had to have more of that peach preserves, that would have been good. But or even if you have apricot preserves, yeah, but it's good. It's seasoned. I taste the soy sauce and everything. I had this marinated too, but I think majority of like the coating came off. It did it with the first one too, but I kind of like re-administered it. I thought I did the same thing for this one, but I guess not. I don't know, I'm just getting like a charred grill. It smells like it's been on the burner a little too long. So more of that soy sauce now. This is the one I added the Pepsi too. I'm trying to see if I can like taste like a difference or either taste the Pepsi. If I didn't know, I won't say, oh, I can taste Pepsi or like a soda in here. I do taste a slightly difference. I don't really know if it's due to the fact that this is like more like fried, baked fried, and the other one got like a more of a coating. It's still good though. Trying with that sauce now. When I try to get the Pepsi away, I really don't see much of a, or taste much of a difference. Like I said, besides the coating, I don't think that the Pepsi had anything to do with that. I don't know if I mixed this last time. I used Dr. Pepper on, I think it was the bourbon chicken recipe I did. After you watch this, then go over there. I tell y'all because y'all go over there now. You probably will go it out. I got the idea with the marinated and soda from Mr. Making It Happen. He used a lot of different sodas. However, Pepsi was one of them, and Dr. Pepper. So with the bourbon chicken, I'm not just kind of want to use that due to the fact that I didn't want to use bourbon. Wasn't gonna use it. And then with this one, I don't know, I just kind of like wanted to use it. I'm going back to the coated one. It's winning me over more. Period. Point blank. Yeah, that's seasoned good. I just probably should have double fried. Should have been more double fried. So to rate the one with the coating, I got 9.4. These one 8.9. So here you have it, y'all. Or should I say here I have it? But if you made this recipe, you can have it. Make sure you like, share, subscribe to my channel, y'all. Hear this recipe. Y'all bless it.